In front of me is HOTWAV Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now you need to click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Tap on Files to access audio ones and select Audio at the top to find your file. You can also look for it in one of those apps or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner in one of those categories. Either way, after finding it, click on it to attach it. To add a video one, select Gallery section, click on your video here. Or if you can't find it, select Folders, look for it here, and when you find it, click on it to add it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!